in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Ladies and gentlemen, maayong gabi kanatong tanan og Ascenso Azamis! How about clapping our hands because today we are one big happy family. Our warm greetings and of course, maayong gabi to our Ascenso leaders, beginning of course with the three pillars of the Ascenso administration nga kanunay ang pagmahal o pagsuporta sa pamilya dinhi sa LGU Azamis. Thank you very much, the Governor of the Province of Misamis Occidental, Attorney Henry S. Waminal, Representative of the 2nd District, Honorable Sancho Fernando F. Waminal, Representative of the Ascenso Pinoy Party List, Honorable Attorney Henry F. Waminal Jr., of course with the love and support of the Ascenso leaders dinhi sa ato ang dakbayan, headed by our visionary Mayor, Honorable Attorney Sam Norman G. Fuentes, with our very good Vice Mayor, Honorable Simplicia Bebineri, atong pakpakan, may gabi Vice Mayor, along with our City Councilors nga kauban sa ato ang Ascenso leaders para sa pagpaningkamot nga kitang tanan, magpuyong malinawon, malambuon og malipayon. And we acknowledge our City Councilors, beginning with Honorable Archie Romero, may gabi Konsihal, Honorable Attorney Daniel Lau, SK Federation President, Honorable City Councilor John Fel Duhay Lungsod, Honorable Saulo Salvador, Honorable Sancho Sunny Waminal Jr. Alright. Ay, in fairness, kusog og fans club si Consel Sunny. Let's go. Makabalo na ning sunod na teams karon. We have City Councilor Junjun Sakin, City Councilor Attorney Mars Tabayan, Honorable Lorly Fuentes Cipres, Honorable Cecil Go, Honorable Catherine Katkat Lim, Honorable Dinky Suizo. Wow, nahimo na may yung pakusgan tayo clap sa inyo mga supporters. Balik ko na lang na ako sa unahan no, for dahil mong unfair. Wala nakapanukad ang color team under. Balik ko na ako sa nauna dapit. We have Honorable Archie Romero, Honorable Attorney Daniel Lau, Honorable John Fel Duay Lungsod, Honorable Saulo Salvador. Kusog na kayo ang pakpak sugod ni Consel Sunny kanina. Kitang tanan mamakpak ta for them. Good evening again to our dear City Councilors and Vice Mayor Bebby, to the department heads, and of course, our dear civil servants. Maayong gabi, ubusa pakpakan po nato ito mga kaugalingon because tonight is our night. Welcome to the LGU Azamis City Family Day or Family Night. Tonight, we gather not just as colleagues, as employees, but tonight, atong yaging mga adlaw, lahi mo color, yellow, purple, orange, but we see tonight, we wear the same shirt. Because tonight, we are one big family, and we are celebrating a milestone, the 125th anniversary of the Philippine Civil Service. This is a night for us to honor the commitment, integrity, and excellence that define our service to the nation. And the celebration features the theme, Bawat Kawani, Lingkod Bayani, Puso, Dangal, at Galing para sa Bayan. We recognize that each one of you is indeed a hero. And as we formally begin our program this evening, we invite the presence of our Almighty. May I request everybody to rise for our invocation, which would be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Both will be led by the LGU Chorale. Please be seated. Once again, maayong gabi ug asenso Azamis! Mamakpak ng tanan because this is our night. Welcome to the LGU Azamis Family Day in celebration of the 125th anniversary of the Philippine Civil Service. And let's begin this with raising the energy level. I've heard na mo yell sa inyong color teams. And tonight, atong itest kung makadumdum pa ba o magkasinabot pa ba, bahalag wala mo nakapractice. Well, it's all about the energy. Dili na mo i-judge, wala na synchronization. It's all about the energy. As we check your temperature tonight, we have 6 color teams to recognize. And the moment nga tawagon nako ang inyong color, palihog sa pagtindog. And again, make some noise as we bring the energy to the night. Beginning with, let's go, yellow! All right, yellow team, let's give them a big round of applause. Let's go with your yell, go! Basta Yellow Asenso kini, and we are acknowledging their team leaders. Nga nadunggan ako mag-showdown nyo pa na sila later. We have Honorable John Felduay Lungsod on Honorable Saulo Salvador. Atong pakpaka ng mga team leaders sa Yellow Team. And I guess this is a dominant color tonight. Let's go, Orange Team! Go, 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 Orange! In fairness, sharp kayong mga memory. Ganyan mga ni Sir Michael, i-check yun daw kung nadumduman pa ba ang inyong mga yell. Now, we are acknowledging the team leaders, Honorable Jun Carlo Morelion and Honorable Archie Romero. Atong pakpakan from the Orange Team! Let's paint the town red with the Red Team! Thank you very much! Diba? Pula para sa pagigugma. Thank you very much again, and acknowledging their team leaders, Attorney Daniel Lau and Attorney Marcelian Tapayan. Atong pakpakan ng team leaders. Alright, sa Red Team. And now, it's about purity with the White Team. Thank you very much. Wow, gitapat gidi ay no, sa pula, sa puti. Andito ang dapitan, no? Marsabong naman siya. And again, acknowledging the White Team leaders, Honorable Cecil Ko and Honorable Junjun Sakin. Thank you very much, White Team. Now, it's time for the Purple Team. Alright. Nag-expect kong mang-eat siya og cake, no? Char lang. Thank you very much again to their team leaders, Honorable Catherine Lim and Honorable Dinky Suizo. Atong pakpakan, Purple Team. And finally, the Blue Team. Let's go Blue with their team leaders, Honorable Lorly Fuentes Cipres and Honorable Sonny Wabinal, the Blue team. Let's go, and one more time, let's clap our hands for everyone. Mabuhay ang civil servants dinhi sa atong dakbayan sa Ozamis. Ladies and gentlemen, the Civil Service Month is the annual celebration in the Philippines every September to commemorate the establishment of the Philippine Civil Service on September 19, 1900. It aims to recognize the public servants, promote integrity and accountability, and strengthen citizen participation by encouraging government agencies to conduct various programs and activities. And tonight, atong gi-culminate ang tanang mga activities sa tibuok bulan with the many competitions that you've been through, a celebration of unity, creativity, talent, passion, and more. Tonight, we celebrate everybody as a member of one big, happy family. And now, to open our beautiful celebration tonight, we will hear the words coming from an outstanding public servant herself. Ladies and gentlemen, ang inahan sa ato ang dakbayan, let us now put our hands together for an excellent public servant herself, aside from being a mom, our City Vice Mayor, the Honorable Simplicia Bebby O'Neary.
Have a seat. Happy celebrations ni aning ato ang pagsaulog sa unsa gani atong gisaulog ron? Unsa gani? Oh, lagi abi ko. This is our night. Employees night. Way mo ang kuna ani. Ato ra gyud karong gabi una. So we have to enjoy. Mga kaigsuunan ko, in behalf of our City Mayor, Mayor Norman Fuentes, sa atong 3 pillars of Misamis Occidental, the Honorable Governor Henry S. Waminal, our Congressman Ando Waminal, and also our Congressman Asinso Pinoy Party List, Honorable Henry Indi Waminal. Ato silang palakpakan, bin. Ang 3 pillars of Misamis Occidental who always inspires us to work hard for Misamis Occidental. And now we are here gathered together to celebrate this momentous event in line with the celebration of unsa ganito? Unsa ganito? Oh, lagi ba? Anyway, I hope that everybody is in place o condition kayo kita karong gabi una nga magdula-dula, maglingaw-lingaw, maminaw o pipila ka mga mensahe to inspire us to work hard sa atong tagsa-tagsa ka mga responsibilidad as an employee, as a government worker dinhi sa atong syudad. We have to thank God for this. Because not all is given the privilege nga mga lagad sa atong paggamhanan. Palakpakan nato ang tanan, bin. To our department heads, ang ato mga pangulo sa nagkalain-laing departamento, nga bisan pag gikapoy, gisapot, apan always smiling to their staff and employees. Just so, tinuod no, naningkamot yun, nga mahimong functional ang ilang tagsa-tagsa ka mga departamento. Let us give a big hand to our department heads. Naibalo ko, unsa kalabad, unsa kasakit sa dughan usahay. Kung doon ay usa sa akop nato sa departamento nga magpabadlong. Apan we are all happy kung ugaling ang ato mga sakop mga outstanding employees. And tonight, we are trying to honor these employees. Kitang tanan, outstanding po tax, dili outstanding, ato rong gabi una, ato yun ron. So we must have to enjoy, kalimtan nato itong mga kasikas sa Raplin, nga usahay to guard our kanang sanang lihok sa atong aura, no? So mga kaigsuunan, dili lang ko magdugay, kanali trabaho sa padro taas kay grawali. anyway, niya kitang tanang karon to enjoy our night, the employees night of the local government unit of Usami City. Thank you.
Tonight is our night to enjoy and celebrate, and thank you very much to our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Simplicia Bebby Oneri, a true champion of excellent public service herself. Let's give her another round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, sa atong pagsaulog sa Civil Service Month, sugod pa lang sa atong opening and the succeeding activities, we celebrate the service, dedication, and passion of everyone. And of course, with the different activities and competition, atong nakita ang talento, the passion, the unity, and our creativity. And tonight, as we culminate this celebration, we get to see winning and champion performances. We are here not only to celebrate the 125th year of the Philippine Civil Service, but also to honor the best among us, especially those who have truly embodied the spirit of our theme this year, Bawat Kawani, Lingkod Bayani, Puso, Dangal, at Galing para sa Bayan. Tonight, we will be seeing the winning performances coming from the champions themselves. And here we go with our first set of champions. They've proved that harmony is not just about voices. It is about coming together. It's about two hearts and two spirits uniting to create something truly beautiful. They have serenaded us during the competition with their magnificent blend of voices, and tonight they will bring us again a performance which is a perfection of how collective efforts in public service can create a beautiful symphony. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion of the duet singing contest from the Orange team, let's give it up for Mr. Michael Fuentes and Mr. Eduardo Cosip. A big round of applause, everyone. singing their winning song, Yakap sa Dilim, Michael and Eduardo from the Orange Team. Alright, congratulations, of course, the champion in the duet singing contest. Moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, dinhi sa atong dakbayan sa Ozamis, we are always blessed to have our leaders nga kanunay na ningkamot moalagad sa tanan para masiguro nga ang tanang misamisnon o osamisnon magpuyong malinawon, malambuon o malipayon. And our leaders always serve with their heart, kauban ang core values sa pagkamatinahuron, matinod-anon, matinabangon o mahigugmaon. And that is why atong nakita ang pag-asenso sa ato ang dakbayan, ang pag-asenso sa ato ang probinsya because of our Asenso leaders. And we are forever grateful to Governor Henry Waminal, District 2 Congressman Sancho Fernando Waminal, Asenso Pinoy Representative Attorney Henry F. Waminal Jr., our city officials headed by Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes, our city mayor. And tonight we will hear this very beautiful and important message para sa tagsa-tagsa ka mga civil servants dinhi sa ato ang dakbayan, bringing of course the love and support sa ato ang city mayor. We will have the message coming from our city administrator. Let's put our hands together for Miss Rothesa Grace A. Uwano. A big round of applause.